In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cool animated Facebook post 5 minutes. We're keeping this simple and fast. By the end, you'll have a polished animated post ready to share. All you need is a web browser and a few ideas for your message or promotion. First, head over to canva.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the templates section. This is the quickest way to start with a design that's already sized and styled for social media. In the search bar, type Facebook post. You'll see options tailored for Facebook, typically square formats that display cleanly in the feed. Pick a template that matches your vibe. If you want movement out of the box, look for designs that show motion in the preview, or say animated. Hover to preview the animation before you open it. When you found one you like, open it to start editing. Now customize the content. Replace the placeholder text with your headline and supporting copy. Keep text short, bold, and easy to read on mobile. Update colors to match your brand and swap images or graphics if needed. To enhance motion, select any element and explore the animate options. Subtle fades, slides, or bounces can add energy without feeling overwhelming. Keep hierarchy clear. Make the main message the focal point and let the animation draw attention rather than distract. If you're adding multiple frames, keep the total length short so it feels snappy in the feed. When you're happy, click share, then download. Choose a format that preserves the animation. MP4 is a great choice for smooth playback and good quality on Facebook. GIFs can work too, but MP4 usually looks cleaner and keeps file sizes manageable. Give it a moment to export and save it to your computer. Next, go to facebook.com. In your feed or on your page, click the What's on Your Mind composer to start a new post. If you don't immediately see the media option, click the three-dot icon to reveal more choices. Select photo video, then upload the animated file you just exported from Canva. Add a caption that sets context and encourages engagement. Keep it clear, add a call to action if appropriate, and consider a couple of relevant keywords. When it looks good, click next, then click post. Facebook may take a few moments to process the video. Once it's live, preview it to make sure the animation plays smoothly. That's it, an eye-catching animated Facebook post made in minutes. If you found this helpful, try a few different templates and animations to see what resonates best with your audience.